tutorials. Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and continuing to learn new things from my tutorials. So in today's video I am going to show you how to create a fully customized WooCommerce card or design or thumbnail design, as you can see here, in simple steps, which actually replaces the default WooCommerce card with this visually stunning with this visually appealing design. So this template is actually a customizable. Alright, so for that you just need a basic development skills just like HTML, CSS. Alright, and you can easily design in you accordingly. So what we are going to do here, we will simply create a child theme. Alright, first you just need a WooCommerce plugin installed in your WordPress and a basic theme like Ocean WP, Astra, etc. Right, and then just create the child theme, and we will just override the WooCommerce template by creating the similar template in child theme, and we'll put our code, and you will have this type of WooCommerce cart design, okay, which is 100% in working condition, and every function is working well. Alright, as you can see, has a good hover effects as well, and some unique thumb the animated featured image, as you can see here. Alright, so it's very easy to design. Alright, so by using the shortcut like products, just open your page in the Elementor and just put the shortcut, and you will have this type of grid. Okay, it's also the responsive, let me show you, and also it's responsive, let me show you. Clear inspect, and you will see it's adapting the various screen sizes. Alright, by adding some additional media queries, you can make the single card for the mobile as well. Okay, it's not a big deal if you know the coding. Alright, so this is the topic, this is the today's topic that we are going to discuss in this tutorial, and it's very easy to implement, and it's going to be a quick tutorial. Alright, so without further delay, let's move on to dashboard and we'll start our tutorial. Alright, so this is the dashboard. Now we are inside our dashboard. The very first is to just install the theme. Okay, go to theme, add theme, and search here Ocean WP. Okay, so I am using here not this Ocean WP. Alright, you can use Astra, okay, no matter. So installing this theme. Alright, now click on activate. Alright, so we are just install our theme. Alright, now first let's install some plugins. I mean only one plugin, which is Elementor. Using this Elementor, we will use the product shortcut to show the products. Alright, so here Elementor. Alright, so later I will install the plugin Pro Elements, okay, for the Elementor, but now we need to proceed our main things which are done through the file manager. Okay, so just visit your file manager of your hosting. So go inside the WP content, the themes, and here we need to create a child theme. Okay, so it's very easy. Create new folder and type theme name and then dash child. Alright, click on create new folder. Now just inside this folder we have to add some additional files like function.php. Alright, the CSS, the JS file, and the style.css. Okay, So let's add them. So very first so we need to add these three files. All right, the first one is style.css, second functions.php to enqueue this style, and the second one is Woocommerce, which will override the current template of the Woocommerce, all right, which is content product.php, where we are going to modify according to your requirement. All right, so first let's create style.css. Here style.css, next is functions.php. All right, so let's add. So here inside the functions.php, so inside the functions.php, let's enqueue this child styles. Okay, this style.css. so just copy this and paste inside. Okay, next we have this style.css. all right, so let me show you one code. Okay, so this is the identity of this template, which will be recognized as a child template. Okay, all right, so this is very important to be included in this template, and just below we will add our CSS. all right, all kind of CSS. So first click on save changes. Now to override the Woocommerce template, which is content product.php, we need to add a folder which is Woocommerce. all right, inside it let's create the PHP file which is content product.php. all right, now why I'm going to just place this file inside this folder. Okay, why not in this root directory? Let me show you. Already the Woocommerce suggests us or recommend us to override. You can easily override any kind of templates up there. Okay, so go to plugins, Woocommerce, and here templates. all right, so this is our content product.php. now let's open it, and here you will see this template can be overridden by copying to this particular path, which is theme, Woocommerce, and your template code. all right, so by doing this you can save your all the modified or the custom codes inside the files. Okay, which will impact or which may get impacts by the update of the Woocommerce. all right, so that's why they personally recommend to use to always override each template. all right, so that's why. Now here we just added the functions.php file, style.css also. all right, let's open this style.css. all right, functions.php. now open this, and here you will see a blank. all right, because I just created it from the scratch by giving a name to it. Okay, you can just copy and paste the file over here. all right, now let me show you the code. Okay, so here you can see this is the custom or the modified code which we are going to use to create that kind of product cards. all right, so here we will get product ID, title, short description, price, rating count, categories, first category and category slug. all right, and here is their HTML structure bounded by some dynamic functionality of the PHP. all right, here is the category, wish list, post thumbnail, product info. all right, rating, and add to cart view, add to cart button, etc. all right, you can extend its functionality and feature according to your need. Okay, so this code is just about 85 to 86 lines. all right, now I will just copy this code. Okay, so you can you will find the instructions inside the file, which I will be providing this for the downloading purpose. Okay, you can check the description. Here first copy all the things and paste in your content.php. Alright, same in the CSS. This is the complete CSS for our custom template. Just copy this and paste here. Alright, so everything is done within 1 to 2 steps. Alright, so what we did first, we have just enqueued our style.css using this function.php. Alright, created this template, and by adding this content, modify this and override this file by creating the content.php within the Woocommerce folder. Alright, and add it is style.css. Alright, and that's it. Let's save everything. Alright, so everything has been saved. Now let's move on to dashboard. Alright, so now we just did the things which should be after the installation of the Woocommerce. Alright, so now let's install the Woocommerce, which is the very mandatory plugin for this. So click on Woocommerce. You can do the things before the installation of this WordPress or this Woocommerce plugin, or later. Okay, I just did it before, but don't worry, everything will work. So this is our Woocommerce. Alright, because we are just creating the template for this Woocommerce. Now click on activate. Alright, the Woocommerce has been set up. Now go to your let's create one page and we'll show you. Let's say it home page. Set it as a Elementor full width. Edit with Elementor. Alright, now I will show you in the very quick manner. So just keep everything as it is. You can remove everything, other things and elements from this page. I have explained in every video. Alright, so here I will add a container. Let's make it full width to 90%. Alright, also it make it full width. Now right here let's add the background color to this page, which is black color. Now search for the widget, which is products. Okay, so it's the lock. Let's unlock these things. Click on upload plugin. Let's publish this first and reload the page. I believe the product widget is now unlocked. Alright, we have this products widget. So here is showing nothing because we don't have the products in our website. Alright, so first we need to add the products. So let's add them one by one. So let's add the simple products. Click on add new product. This is going to be the just name of the product. Let's add the product image. Now in case of products, you must add the product which has no background, which is transparent. Alright, you can easily remove the background. Okay, save product image. Okay, in the square you can set categories. So what will be categories in this case? It will be sports. Okay, so let's create it. Alright, so let's add the basic description. Let's add this short description over here, and the pricing, let's keep it 149. Okay, so there is no need to change anything here. Alright, so okay, so let's publish it. Here, visit the site. Now currently we haven't set the home page, our home page as this front page, so click on customize. Under this home page setting, click on set this home page. Okay, click on publish. Again go to now home page. Let's back from here. Now you wonder that why it's looking something like this. If you go to the dashboard and go to themes, we have created the child theme which is not activated yet. Alright, our main theme is activated, so that's why. Let's activate this theme. So now it's activated. Reload the page. Here we have our card, product card. Okay, this nice product card. So this was the end output of this our tutorial. Alright, so you can extend your products. Okay, from here add more products to see the more appealing design in your website. Okay, it's very simple to edit and everything is customizable from here. You can see style.css is given, this product template is given. Okay, and this is also very simple. Alright, so there is no need to explain anything from here. Alright, you can do it on yourself. So in this way you can achieve this type of product card. Okay, for the Woocommerce. So I hope you understand this quick tutorial and learn something new from this video. Okay, so this was for today's video. I will be back with another interesting tutorial. Okay, which will be very useful for you. So for now, take care, goodbye.